in today's tutorial, make sure to delete all password manager data saved on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select passwords and autofill and select password manager. On the left side, select settings. And then going down here, there should be an item that says delete all password manager data. Select delete data, select delete. You have to enter in your computer password to proceed, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.